Mount dev, proc, sys in a chroot environment. I'm trying to create a Linux image with custom picked packages. What I'm trying to do is to handcraft the packages I'm going to use on an EXO laptop, because compiling packages takes really long time on the real EXO hardware. If I can build all the packages I need and just flash the image to the EXO, I can save time and space. When I tried to install some packages, it failed to configure due to missing the proc, sys, dev directories. So, I learned from other places that I need to mount the host proc directories to my chroot environment. I saw two syntax and am not sure which one to use. In host machine. And another syntax, in chroot environment. Which one should I use, and what are the difference?
For /proc and /sys, I suppose you could use either method. They are both special file systems, so they can be recreated any number of times. The bind mount method uses the exact same mount as the host system, whereas the other method uses a new mount. I've always seen the bind mount recommended in guides, so I'd use that. As far as I know, there is no real important difference. However, /dev is usually a tmpfs mount that is managed by udev, so it has to be the actual same file system as on the host machine. That means that you would need to use the bind mount method. If this chroot is going to be around for a while, you can put these entries in /etc/stab on the host system to simplify things.
The Arch Linux Wiki suggests the following commands.
The Gentoo handbook specifically calls out these two commands for remounting /proc and /dev. I've used them several times. I suspect /sys is just a regular folder, so you should be able to make a hard link.
There are other pseudo file systems and tmpfs locations. This is on Debian. It should be okay to mount the USPs, rpc_pipes and div pseudo file systems from within the chroot. I recommend not binding /proc to the chroot /proc, since the kernel has the concept of namespaces, and can actually put different things in the chroot's proc. Update: according to this mailing list thread, /sys should not be bind mounted, especially if the chrooted processes is using its own network namespace. It's a bad idea to mount the system's /var or /run onto the chroot, if the chroot has its own PID namespace.
Show.